Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pass time in Monster Hunter World. This method is useful if you are farming monsters, items, or checking for specific spawns without waiting in real time. In Monster Hunter World, the fastest way to pass time is by switching between different fields. Open your map and travel to a different location, like moving from Ancient Forest to Wildspire Waste. Once you arrive, open the map again and switch back to a different field. Every time you do this, the game refreshes monster spawns in the area you left. You can repeat this process to re-roll monsters until you find the ones you need. You can see this information by hovering over the fields every time you switch to a different location. This is an effective way to find field researchers, farming items, or research points when there's an upsurge or flourishing account items. And that's how to pass time in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.